So guys, welcome to Z Hidden Stories. On today's topic, we're going to look at what is money market and how does it work. So today's topic, it will be based on what is money market account and how does it work. So let's talk about this topic. It's a very interesting topic. We are looking at especially the investors that want to invest into the investors that wants to invest in a traditional savings account. You probably realized quickly that it takes a lot of money and time to earn much in the way of interest. So money market accounts presents a way of consumers to accelerate interest earnings through potentially higher returns rates, and then the national average interest rate for savings account under $100,000 as reported by the FDIC is currently just about 0.06%, while money market account is set at 0.09%. That doesn't seem like much, but keep in mind that the best money market accounts offers up to 1.30% to 1.51% APY. So we're talking about money markets accounts and how investors are willing to invest into these banks. So the topic is about what is a money market account. That's the main topic. So I'm going to explain what is a money market account. Here is a closer look at money market accounts, how they compare to other banks accounts, and why they might be the right banking solution for you. So let's go and check on this part. So money market account, the type of account that tends to offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings account. So typically money market accounts also have a higher minimum balance requirements when you are opening an account. So this topic is only just based in USA. I'm talking about this video is only for USA viewers and people, but if you're interested to go through it, you can also join the topic. It's a very interesting topic when it comes to saving. Yes, thinking of a money market account as a hybrid account, often mixing the best features from both savings and checking accounts. You have the interest earning power of higher yield savings accounts, plus many money market accounts come with a debit card and check writing privileges. So guys, money market accounts lets you grow your money more quickly, but without the uncertain tied to investment accounts. So eligible money market accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor or per investor. So for each account ownership category, so your funds are protected in the event of a bank failure. You know what they're trying to say is that money market account let you grow your money more quickly, but without an incentive tied to investment accounts. So eligibility money market accounts are FDIC insured to $250,000 per depositor for each account ownership category. So your funds are protected in the event of a bank failure. Not meant for use as an everyday spending account. Money market accounts offers some flexibility, so you can access funds when you need them, but they also subject to federal transactions limits. So how does money markets accounts work? So money markets accounts work like other deposits accounts, such as savings account. Has customers deposits funds in a money market account, they earn interest on those funds. Typically interest on money market accounts is compounded daily and paid monthly. So money market kept in money money market accounts is accessible when you need it without requiring a withdrawal penalty. as you might with a certificate of deposit. So money market accounts are available from brick and mortar banks and credit unions, as well as many online banks. Online banks may offer higher rates because they have lesser overhead than traditional accounts. Okay. So a transaction limit for money market accounts is that traditional money market accounts are limited to just 6 transfers to withdrawals per month, or statement SECO in brackets, sorry. Thanks to regulation, delimited transaction may include check writings, debit and purchases, and transfers from one account to the other. So however, in a response to the COVID-19 crisis and to make it easier for consumers to tap their savings, in April 2020, the Federal Reserve announced an interim final law to suspend the regulation of delimited on monthly money market accounts withdrawals. However, banks and credit unions may still impose a fee if unusual monthly limited is exceeded. Okay, so now we're talking about how money market account compares to other bank accounts. So we are comparing now. So money market accounts offer slightly different features than those found with other bank accounts. Here is a look at how they compare to traditional bank accounts. I'm sure, as you can see on the video, everything that I'm explaining is already captured on this video, so you can just go through the video. You can just repeat it if you want. Offered by most full service banks. So high returns savings account. A money market account is not the same as a traditional savings account you are probably used to. The biggest difference between the two accounts is that the money market accounts typically offers a higher annual percentage APY return, especially the best money market accounts. The best money market accounts offered by online banks, and usually you will have check writing privileges and the debit card. So checking account, a traditional and the checking accounts for every day transaction. Money market accounts don't work that way, since they are traditionally they've been subjected to monthly transactions limited, and customers who wants to keep their monies accessible for a day to a day transactions should stick with the checking accounts for those funds. Some money market accounts comes with checking accounts perks and packs are like debit cards for ATM access and check writing privileges. Again, the interest earned by money market accounts is a majority. There's a major difference between the accounts. The majority of checking accounts aren't interesting bearing, and the ones that are earning minimum APY compared to many money markets. So certificate of deposit, CDS, can be comparable to money market accounts in terms of interest rates. Both may offer high yield APY. The difference is that CDS requires you to leave your funds untouched for a period, ranging from as little as 1 month to as long as for 5 or 10 years. Most CDS don't allow you to withdraw funds earlier without being charged a penalty. Another difference between CDS and money market accounts, the type of interest rate they each have. When you open a CD, you lock in a fixed rate for the entire CD term. Money market accounts have variable APYs, which means that the rates can rise or fall on any given day. So money market accounts reserve the highest interests for higher balances, while the highest CD rates tend to be awarded for longer CD terms. Both accounts are low risk investments because they offer guaranteed earnings and a FDIC insured up to a remit. Best way to use money market account. The money market account are great. The money market accounts are great vehicle to use for pursuing both short-term and the long-term savings goals. They allow you to separate specific money from your everyday bank accounts to savings for the future. Money markets are an excellent bank accounts to use for, like emergency funds, wedding expenses, vacations funds, tax payments, home renovation projects, saving for a new car, retirement savings, other short-term and savings goals. There is no shortage of use for money market account. Plus, your money is readily accessible if you find you need it. So why should you stress, and why shouldn't you use a money market account? So starting from today, guys, those who are based in America, open up this this is an investment opportunity. Open up a money market account, the accounts for investors, so that you can start saving for your retirement savings and other short-term long savings goals. So guys, that's it for today. We shall continue on part 2 on this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.